train coming. Wait a few minutes and see if it's here. It's the end. Might be coming fast, I don't know. Yeah, in a minute. Coming. Coming fast. Yeah, pretty fast. Alright, let's film some fun too. Alright, buddy, ready? Are you ready? There's your watch band. Probably because it's coming pretty fast, I don't know. It didn't take that long. We're up in Gabriel 21. Hey guys, there's a westbound train coming in Emmett, Michigan. That signal up there is red, and the signal behind me is green red, so here it comes. Might be coming fast, I don't know. But I think it's a bigger train, I'm not sure, we'll see. Probably a big one, it looks big. I hear it. My camera's only at 111 minutes. Here it comes. Not going very fast, I don't think. Hard to say. When it gets closer, I'll get the gates. If I can sit there behind me, it's green red. Way that way. When it gets closer, alright, ready? The gate. Here it comes. Emmett, Michigan. It's like double stacks or something. There the gates. Here it comes. Cool. Washburn, cool. Emmett, Michigan.